Today we would demonstrate a 4-party telephone line. This was common within the Bell system up till the mid-1970s or 1980s on the West Coast. We have 4 telephones connected to the same physical telephone line, but with 4 independent telephone numbers associated with the one line. When any of the 4 numbers are dialed, only the phone that is wired for that specific number will ring. However, the remaining phones on the line, if they pick up the receiver during an incoming call, they will answer the line, but not necessarily the person who you have called. The 4-party line and 8-party and other types of party lines was used to conserve outside plant in areas that they did not have enough cable pairs going down the road, which could be potentially miles of whole line or buried plant or aerial plant. So I have wired up 4 different numbers for 4 different telephones here on a step-by-step system, and this recording is being made in April of 2019. So there are no known commercial multi-party service anywhere in the United States working, and we've recreated this as at a museum as a display. So I will call the beige telephone first, and then the pink, the green, and the blue, and then we will remove the covers from the beige and the pink phone, and you'll be able to see the ringers ring when that specific number is dialed. The pink phone and the beige phone, the green and the blue, are wired internally the same. However, at the wall jack, the polarity of the phone line going into the telephone set is reversed. So the theory behind this is they do positive 105 volt ringing and negative 105 volt ringing, which is 100 volts AC superimposed on top of a DC current. Internally, there are tubes in each and every telephone that are wired specific for the party that you're calling. This is how they was able to have 4 parties, full selective service, which means only one phone will ring on that specific line when that specific number is called. That was the beige telephone. I will now dial the pink phone. I will dial the green telephone. There was different ringing patterns utilized by the Bell system. I created a 4-party line using the standard ring that we have today and the 2 ring. Also, they had 1 ring for all 4 parties, but for demonstration purposes I created a 2 ring. So you would not normally need that unless it was an 8-party phone line. Then 4 of the phones would have one long ring and 4 of them would have a double ring. We have removed the covers from the beige phone and the pink phone, so I would dial the beige phone first. There is a delay from when I dial the number to the phone ringing because we're on a step-by-step system, which is rotary dial, and I'm utilizing a touch-tone phone dialing these numbers. I would dial the pink phone next. I will rotate the beige phone and point out the tube. This is the tube that is wired in order to select the party, in addition to the polarity of the line between the wall and the telephone. In a next video, we will demonstrate the connector switch that is actually ringing the phone. But these tubes were common, of course, on Bell system multi-party lines, and some independents utilized tube ringing. The tubes are painted black, so you will not see them fire, but if you was to remove the paint off the tube during the ringing, it would light up